Hello everyone, welcome to PHP tutorial for beginner. In the previous tutorial, we talk about variables in PHP. So in this tutorial, we're going to see some basic mathematical operation in PHP. So let me just remove those from here. And here, we're going to see some basic math operation. So let's go and declare a variable. Let's say here $number1 equal to, it will be 10. And let's declare another variable, let's say number 2, and the value for this number 2 will be, let's say 20. And we want to find the total sum of those two numbers. So here we're going to say equal, then to double quotation, and we will find the addition of those two numbers. So for it we need to say number 1 plus, it will be number 2. Then if we just set this, then refresh here, then you can see it is showing us only 10 plus 20 but not the total number. So for it, what we can do is that if we just remove the double quotation from here, then save it, then refresh, then you can see it is showing us 30. But what if we also add some text before this? So how can we do it? If we keep double quotation and write some text, it will not find us the sum. So for it, what we can do is that we are just, let me just use the echo for now. We are going to declare a variable, let's say it will be total equal to, we are going to say number 1 plus number 2. So we are going to say here number 1 plus number 2. So this total variable will have the total value of this number 1 and number 2. If we just say here equal $total, save, then if we refresh here, there you can see it is showing us 30. And right now we can add some text before this number. Let's say here double quotation, total number is, we can say $total, say refresh, there you can see total number is 30. So if you want to find the subtraction value, for example, let's say the value of number 1 is 30 and number 2 is 20, and we want to find the subtraction value. So we can just keep here minus sign. There you can see we give a minus sign. If we now refresh here, the value should be 10. If we now refresh, there you can see that total number is 10. Now if you want to find the multiplication, you can just give the multiplication sign there, star sign, just press Shift and 8, it will give you the star sign. Then if you refresh, it will give us the total multiplication of those two numbers, which is 600. So the same way you'll be able to find the division value as well. We just need to give a slash here, save, refresh, and it will give us the division number, which is 1.5. 30 divided by 20 is 1.5. Now let me just show you one more thing, and that is called counter. So let me just declare a variable here. Let's say counter equal to, the value is 0. So I'm going to show you increment and decrement, how we can do it. So let's say here again we are going to say counter equal to, we are going to say this variable counter plus 1. So what it will do is that it will add the number plus 1 with the count value. So if we just say here equal $counter, if we just save it, refresh, there you can see it will show us on. Let me just add a PR tag here. Refresh, there you can see it is showing us on, because 0 plus 1 is on. So instead of doing it like this, you can make your work more easier by giving counter plus plus. If you just save this, then refresh, it will still give us on. And if you send here minus minus, it means it will do the 0 minus on. It means the value will be minus on. If we just refresh, there you can see it is showing us minus on. So what this will do is that it will do 0 minus on. So we can just shortly write it like this. So this is how you can use simple math operation in PHP. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to follow. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.